Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. Look what I made tonight. This lovely chicken, which was supposed to be a Marsala, but I turned it into this. So follow the recipe and you will see how easy it is to make. Watch. Okay everybody, now to make that beautiful dish, this is what we need. A clove of garlic. I got 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have a pint of cherry tomatoes sliced in half. I like cherry tomatoes because they taste better. I got about a dozen olive sliced, white wine, salt, pepper, some oregano, thinly sliced chicken breast, and I just floured it. This was supposed to be Marsala, but I have no mushrooms, so I'm just winging it, and you can see how good it looks. All right, next step. All right, so I shook off the extra flour, and I guess I'm gonna do it like I normally do Marsala. I'm gonna like just brown them up real quick. So that's why the heat is on high. And we're just gonna, you know, give them that brown look. So let me do the rest of them. Okay, as you can see, all right, this is heavy. See, it's all lightly brown. That's how you make even Marsala, okay? So now, let's do this. I have 1 clove of garlic. I don't know, I smashed it. So I'm just gonna throw it in. I got the gas on a medium, all right? So let's give that a second. All right, hold on. Okay, now, a little bit white wine. Okay, a little bit of salt. Pepper. I am throwing in the tomatoes. I don't know, what do you think? Throwing the black olives in. All right, now here's where the water comes in. I'm gonna clean, we'll say about a 1/2 cup of water. And, okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Ooh, look at that. And now just squish some of the tomatoes so it gets into the sauce. And just toss around, especially the top ones, so they get into that sauce. So, not bad, huh? And again, whatever you got in the cabinet. So, give it about 5 more minutes. We'll put the lid back on it, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, everybody, this is when you taste it to see if it's good. Needs a little salt. So just add a little salt and stir it around. It's done. Okay, so again, quick and easy meal. I hope your family likes it as much as mine does, because this looks really good. See you next time.